In this video, we're going to explore one of the most well-known groups of archaic Homo sapiens, the Neanderthals. Neanderthals lived between 150,000 and 40,000 years ago, primarily in Western Europe, the Middle East, and Western Asia. Neanderthals are unique among archaic Homo sapiens in that they were primarily adapted to cold, glacial climates. Their range was closely tied to the Ice Age environment. Neanderthals' ability to survive extreme cold is evident in their robust physical traits. But they didn't just endure, they thrived by shifting their range as the climate changed, moving into the Middle East during the colder periods and returning to Europe when the weather warmed. One of the most striking features of Neanderthals was their brain size, averaging about 1,500 cubic centimeters, similar to modern humans. However, their brain was expanded in different areas. While we see modern humans with brain expansion in the frontal lobe, Neanderthals had a larger occipital region at the back of their skulls, resulting in a distinct elongated skull shape, often likened to a football. This difference might reflect specialized brain functions, including enhanced visual processing, which was helpful in the dimly lit northern environments that they lived in. Neanderthals also had unique facial features, most notably their large, forward-projecting nose. This trait, along with their large nasal passages, helped them warm and moisten cold air, making breathing easier in freezing conditions. While we once believed that these features were purely cold adaptations, new research suggests that they may have also helped Neanderthals survive through energy efficiency, a key to sustaining their large, caloric-demanding bodies. Besides their skulls, Neanderthals exhibited robust body traits that were built for strength and endurance. Their short, stocky limbs and barrel-shaped chests are consistent with Bergmann's and Allen's rules, which suggest that animals in cold climates tend to have more body mass and shorter limbs to conserve heat. This body structure also made Neanderthals strong, capable of hunting large game in harsh conditions. Culturally, Neanderthals were far more sophisticated than once believed. They made complex tools, they used fire, and there is evidence that they engaged in symbolic behaviors, such as burying their dead. Fossils of Middle Pleistocene hominins reveal a fascinating picture on how species like Neanderthals fit into the broader evolutionary trends. Their cranial capacity, cultural innovations, and migration patterns reflect a dynamic process of adaptation and survival. Yet, the increased complexity of hominin fossils, like evidence of the admixture between Neanderthals and modern humans, raises questions on how we classify these ancient populations. Were they truly separate species or different populations of the same species?